This is balancing in acidic and basic solutions, letter D off of the handwritten sheet, and this needs to be basic when we are all said and done. So on top I have the original equation, and I have already written the two half reactions. Remember, in writing the half reactions, we are looking for similar compounds. Okay, so H2, O2, and O2 are similar, and those two both have chlorine. So that's how I was able to pick out our two half reactions. Okay, so we'll just go through the steps of balancing and go from there. So in the first step here, okay, everything is balanced because I don't have, in this equation, everything is balanced because I don't have anything other than hydrogen and oxygen, so we're good there. And in the second equation, I have one chlorine and one chlorine, so we are good there. So the next step is to balance hydrogen and oxygen. So what I need to do on the first equation is there are two hydrogens over here, so I need two hydrogens on this side, and we're balanced. In the second equation, okay, we are actually already balanced because we have one chlorine, two oxygens. So we're all balanced there. So the next step then is to balance charge. And over on this side of the equation, we have 0 charge. Over here, we have a +2 charge. So I'm going to have to add 2 electrons to this side. Okay, and in the bottom equation, we have a -1 charge and a 0 charge. So I'm going to have to add 1 electron to that equation. Okay, your next step is to balance charge between the two reactions. And we have 1 electron here and 2 electrons there. So I'm going to need to multiply this bottom equation by 2. So I have 2 electrons, or 2, 2, and 2. Okay. Then what I need to do is now finally I can add the two equations together. The 2 electrons here cancel. And then you literally just bring everything down. So H2O2 plus 2ClO2 yields 2ClO2 minus plus O2 plus 2H plus. Okay, the only thing is that this equation needs to be basic, and right now it is acidic because of those. So I need to add 2 hydroxides to this side, which means I need to add 2 hydroxides to this side. Okay, by adding the 2 hydroxides over here, 2 hydrogens plus 2 hydroxides gives me 2 waters. Not sure why I put an equal sign there. Okay, so the final net result of this reaction is 2 OH minus plus 2 H2O2 plus 2 ClO2 yields 2 ClO2 minus plus O2 plus 2 H2O. Okay, and we should now be basic because of that.